Right, welcome back. We're going to be making some new words with some new sounds. These are the sound cards you will need for this lesson. P, A, K, T, B, Y, Qu. These two will always go together, in a sense. Qu, Qu, K. Now, this combination is the first time I'll be introducing two consonant sounds together. K. Notice how they blend together. K, K. Okay? All right. So these two letters will stand for one sound. And that's the genius of the alphabet. We have 26 letters, but there are 44 sounds in our language. And so we have to stretch those 26 letters to represent 44 sounds. And one of the great ways of doing that is to combine letters to make one sound. So I need the sound K. I can combine C and K, K, and they stand for one sound. So I can use multiple letters, two letters, to make one sound, and we will see later on we can actually use 3, maybe even 4 letters to make one sound. Okay? So that's the way we do it. All right, take a moment and assemble these sounds, get these letters out, which stand for the sounds that we will be using in our lesson. All right, you're back. Wonderful. So let's assemble some sounds. I'm going to move these out of the way temporarily, okay? And now, the first word we're going to make, let's go over our sounds first. K. This CK stands for K. All right? You know A. So if I put these together, I have ack, ack. Now I'd like to actually make a word that means to put something away. I'm going to use the word pack, pack. What letter do you think I will need to create the word pack? P, P. If you said letter P, which stands for P, you are correct. The word is p-ack, p-ack, pack, pack. Say, blend the sounds quickly now. Pack. Now take a moment, pause the video, and make this word. Pack. Great job. You've made the word pack. All right, now let's take away this P sound and let's make the word tack. What letter do you think I will need to make the word tack? T, t. I think you're right. Let's make the word tack. T-ack. Do you see that? T-ack. Now I have this word and it only has these letters, T-A and C-K. I have 4 letters now. Do you see that? T-A-C-K. But I only have 3 sounds. T-ack, t-ack, tack. Because this letter combination, this blend, actually stands for one sound. Great. Now, what if I wanted to, pause the video and make sure you make the word tack. So after I've made a word like tack, pause the video and make that word yourself, okay? All right, great. Now, let's start the video again, and we're going to make the word back. My back is hurting. Back. What letter do you think I'll need for the word back? If you said B or B, you'd be correct. The B stands for B. And now look at my word. Oh, let me straighten my words out here. My word is back. Back. Go back home, please. School is closed. My back is scratching. Back. Back. Great. Pause the video and make back. All right. Now let's make another word. Let's make the word yak. Yakety yak. yak. And there it is. I'm going to add y, this y, yak, 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 yak. Again, one word, 4 letters, but just 3 sounds, yak. So now I've done those, and my final, well, no, I have a couple more, okay? Do you have a minute? Pause the video and make yak. You know how we do it, okay? So now, let's make the word lack. So what word do you think I would need? What letter would I need to make the word lack? Lack. You're correct. I would need the letter L, which stands for the sound lack, lack, lack. And there's my word lack. Wonderful. Lack. All right, now I'm going to make one final word, and I'm going to need 2 letters for this word. It's what ducks do. They quack, 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 quack. So what letters will I need for quack? What sounds will I need? Quack. I'm going to need my Q sound. And the coolest thing about the Q sound in our language is that it never makes a word by itself. It will always be accompanied by the vowel sound or the letter U. So there's my letter U. Q and U will always go together to make a word. And now I have the word quack. So these sounds together, quack, quack, quack. And there's my new word, quack. Repeat after me, quack, quack. That is so cool. That's what ducks do. They quack. And Q-U-A-C-K, quack, 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 quack. That's what ducks do. So we've learned some new sounds. We have our new sounds here. And we're going to now stop this video and practice making new words with these sounds, okay?